Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video where we dive into the mesmerizing world of plant illustrations. Join us as we unravel the artistry and charm of botanical illustration, capturing the essence and intricacies of the plant on paper. Discover the historical significance, techniques, and the sheer joy of creating and appreciating these botanical masterpieces. Number 1. The art of botanical illustration. Botanical illustration have a rich history dating back centuries, serving as a means to document and study plant life. They are more than representations. They capture the essence, details, and beauty of plants in an intricate detail. Botanical artists employ various techniques, such as watercolor, pen and ink, or colored pencils, to bring the plants to life on paper. Thought carefully observation and attention to detail botanical illustration offer a unique perspective that allows us to appreciate the intricacies of the nature creation. Number 2. A window into nature. Plant illustration provide a window into a natural world, offering a deeper understanding and connection with plants. They allow us to observe botanical features such as leaves, flowers, and seed pods in extraordinary detail. Through illustration, we can explore the diversity and nuance of plants species, both common and rare. Botanical art encourages us to slow down, observe, and appreciate the delicate beauty and unique characteristics of plants that we may often overlook in our daily lives. Number 3. Techniques and styles. Botanical artists employ a range of techniques and styles to bring plants to life on paper. Watercolor is a popular medium for its ability to capture the transparency and vibrancy of botanical objects. Pen and ink illustration after offer precious and interactive detailing, highlighting the texture and pattern of plants. Colored pencils provide a more controlled and layered approach, allowing artists to create depth and dimension. Each technique and style bring its own unique aesthetic, providing a diverse range of visual experiences for both artists and admirers of botanical art. Number 4. Creative inspiration and botanical journals. Botanical illustration not only inspire artistic creativity but also serve as valuable references for nature enthusiasts, gardeners, and scientists. Many artists maintain botanical journals documenting plant encountered in their own gardens or during outdoor exploration. These journals become personal records capturing essential changes, growth, patterns, and personal observations. They become treasured collections that combine artistry and scientific inquiry, contributing to our knowledge and appreciation of natural world. Botanical journals also serve as sources of inspiration, encouraging others to document their botanical encounters that create their own unique illustrations. Conclusion. Botanical illustrations are a testament to the beauty and diversity of plant life. Through their artistry and attention to detail, botanical artists bring the natural world to life on paper, allowing us to appreciate and connect with plants in new ways. Whether you are an artist, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of the plant kingdom, botanical illustration offer a captivating journey into the intricate beauty of nature creations.